Hey guys, we are now going over lesson 100 in our math book. It's page 342 and it's multiplying two two-digit numbers. They called it part 2, but this time we're going to be carrying or regrouping, so that's the only difference today. I know we've done a lot of this, but these can be tricky, so I think this is a good lesson for us to be working on. So let's look at the first example, 46 times 27. We first multiply 46 times the 7 only. 6 times 7, and then 4 times 7. So they did that part here. 6 times 7 is 42. Put the 2 here and carry the 4. Then 4 times 7 is 28, plus 4 is 322. Now, this is not the whole problem. This is just 46 times 7. If you look on the next page, they have done the tens place right here, 46 times 2. And like we've said, this is also like saying 46 times 20 because it's in the tens place. They did not put the 0 here, but you know that there's an imaginary 0 there. But another way to remember it is because I'm doing 46 times this digit, the 2, I'm going to line up my answer here. When I did 46 times 7, I lined up under the 7. When I do 46 times 2, I'm going to line it up under the 2. So then you don't have to put your 0 if you're doing it that way. But you can put a 0. It's up to you. So now 46 times the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So put down the 2, carry the 1. Then 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 1. And we have to move down here to see that they wrote the 9 there, 92. So 46 times 7 is 322. 46 times 2 is 92. Or if you did 46 times 20, 920. But you'll see it's the same thing, 2 plus nothing or 2 plus 0. So that you just add the two numbers. 2 plus nothing is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. And your product is 1,242 total. There's another example too here at the bottom, but I'm going to skip it since you can look through the steps. If you're struggling with this, please look over this example and kind of walk yourself through the steps. But I thought I would go to the next page and do one of the practice problems that is not explained in full detail in the book. So we can go over one or two of those. So I'm going to write this on my whiteboard. Sorry, I should have gotten this set up already. And we're going to do 38 times 26. 8 times 6 is where we'll start. 38 times the 6. 8 times 6 is 48. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 4. 22. And then we're going to do 38 times the 2. So this 38 times 6 is the top number right here. Now we're going to do 38 times the 2. 8 times 2 is 16. And we'll just line it up here where you can put your 0. It's up to you. Carry 1. And so I'm going to cross that out just so I don't get confused. 3 times 2 is 6 plus the 1 is 7. And then we're going to add these together. 8, 8, and 9. So if you're struggling with those, hopefully you can see the whole thing. If you're struggling with those types of problems, it's not a big deal. These are kind of tricky, but just keep practicing. Do those examples if you need to. You can check it with a calculator or get a parent to help you check it if you need to. And then work on problem set 100. When you finish problem set 100, you can go to the video to check it. And then tomorrow, Tuesday, I believe this is right, we'll have day to work on any corrections. If you've missed any math problems, you can go back and go over them, sort of review. And then on Wednesday, we will do the math test. Y'all have a great day.